So good morning students, let us discuss today's chapter, that is your first chapter, rational number. So let us discuss what are rational numbers. First of all, it is very important to know the meaning of your name of the chapter. So we know what are natural numbers. Natural number means which includes which are counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called natural numbers. And what are whole numbers? All natural numbers including 0. It means these all are natural numbers. If you include 0, then they become your whole numbers. So whole number includes all natural numbers. Whole number में सारे natural number आ जाते हैं. So similarly, if you will add negative numbers -3, -4, -100 as well as all positive number and 0 also, then they are called integers. Now we have included all counting numbers, we have included 0, we have included negative numbers. What will left? Yes, fractional parts are left. Fractional parts. Fraction. Whenever you have a fraction parts, so where will the fraction lies? When you add fraction, because integer, whole number and natural numbers doesn't include fractional number. If you will add fractional numbers, suppose 1.2 minus 3.7, 0, 0.7, these numbers, if you include all numbers including these numbers, then they are called rational numbers. Okay? So you understood? What do you mean by rational number? Rational number means which include positive numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers as well as fractional numbers like these numbers. 1/2 is a fractional part, 1.3 is a fractional part, right? 1.6 is also a fractional part. So these are all included as rational number. So the question is a whole number a rational number? For example, 5. So rational number means all fractional parts. So whole number can be also represented as 5/1. So 5/1 is also a rational number because you can write in fractional form also by putting 1 at denominator. So understood? So it means what will be the definition of rational number? Now make the definition of rational number. Rational number means all fractional number whole. So it means the rational number is that number which is in the form of numerator and denominator. Okay, so now give me one activity, one more activity is there. Now tell me 3.5 is a rational number because it is in the form of numerator and denominator. 3.2 is again rational number. 3.1 again whole number as well as rational number as well as natural number. So what is a 3.0? What is 3.0? It means 3.0 means this thing that 3 is divided by 0. So is there any number to which by you will multiply with 0 and you will get 3? So no, there is no number in this world. There is no number. So you can say that this number doesn't exist. Does not exist. So this is not rational number. So it means the definition of rational number is a number which is in the form of p upon q. P numerator, q denominator, and q is not equal to 0. मतलब जो denominator है वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. You know why? So this is called rational number, right? So in this chapter we will study how to add rational numbers, how to subtract rational number, how to multiply rational numbers, and how to divide the rational numbers, right? Which includes all whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, as well as rational numbers of है, right? So now let us discuss the question answer of your book exercise. So here is your first question. First question is add the following rational numbers. We have to add these two rational numbers. Remember one thing, we will apply the same rules of integers. As we are adding in integers, same rule applied in rational numbers. So first number is a positive number and we have to add, so I have to put a plus. Second number is a negative number. So it means negative into positive, integers rule, negative into positive is negative. So it becomes 3.7 minus 5.7. Denominator is the same. So what will you do? We will simply write the denominator once. Right? Because LCM is same, denominator is same. So 3 minus 5 is again integer. 3 minus 5 is 2. We will subtract it because one is positive, one is negative. We will subtract. But which sign will come? Which is larger one? So sign is minus 2 upon 7 is the answer. So let's discuss the second part. We have to add. So put plus. Now again minus into plus is minus. Both are negative. So minus 8 minus 5. Here we come. Now both are negative. It means we will do addition. But the sign will, which sign will come? Which is larger one? That is negative. So this is the answer. Understood one point? You can convert in mixed fraction also because it is improper fraction. So by converting improper fraction you will get this answer in mixed fraction, right? So now the third question is one is a positive, one is negative, same as the first part. So same, minus 7 upon 13 plus 6 upon 13. As denominator is the same, so what will you do? Simply write down denominator once and minus 7 plus 6, which is minus 1 upon 13. So these are the answers of these three parts. So rest of the parts you can solve by yourself. There are only 6 parts. Okay. So let us discuss second question. In second question we have to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So first of all write down left hand side, which is equal to minus 17 upon 11 plus 3 upon 7. So let's find the answer of this. As you know, denominator is not same. So we will take a LCM of 11 and 7, which is equal to 77. So how to make the denominator 77? By multiplying 7. How to make the denominator 77? By multiplying 11. We will get minus 119 upon 77 plus 33 upon 77. So just one is negative, one is positive. Now denominator is same. Make the denominator same and you will get 119 plus 33, which is equal to, just do the subtraction because one is negative and other is positive. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So answer is minus 86 upon 77. Here is the answer of your left hand side. Now we will simultaneously solve the right hand side also. So now we will check whether it is equal or not. So right hand side is equal to 3 upon 7 plus minus n. So put the bracket. Because whenever there is a plus and minus both, you have to put a bracket. Bracket means they are multiplying each other. So denominator, first of all, LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. How to make the LCM? How to make the denominator 77? By multiplying 11 plus. How to make it 77? By multiplying 7. Done. Now it become plus 33 upon 77 minus 49 upon 77. Am I right? Isn't it? Oh, sorry. It is not 7. It is 17. Because in question you have given it's 17. So it's 119. Again you can see that the denominator is same, so write it once, and it is 33 minus 119, that is equal to minus 86, because the larger one is negative numbers. So your answer is minus 86 upon 77, right? So you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So second part you can do it yourself. Now let us discuss the third question. In third question we have to again verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Question is 2 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 7. Then it is bracket plus minus 7 upon 10 is equal to 2 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 7 plus 7 upon 10 plus minus 7 upon 10. Here again you have to verify whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will solve left hand side because it is in one bracket. So we have to solve first bracket. LCM is 7 and 5. LCM is 35. So how to make it 35? By multiplying 7. Bracket कर लो. How to make it 35? By multiplying 5 plus minus 7 upon 10. Put in bracket, right? So now how multiply it? 7 to the 14 upon 35 plus minus minus 15 upon 3 5 is 15 upon 7 5 are 35. So again put bracket plus minus minus 7 upon 10. Here answer is minus 1 upon 35. Here answer is minus 7 upon 10. So find the LCM of 35 and 10, which is equal to 35 to the 70. So answer is LCM is 70. How to make it 70? By multiply 2. How to make it 70? By multiply 7. You will get minus 2 upon 70 minus 49 upon 70. So both are negative. We will add. Answer is minus 51 upon 70. So this is the answer of your left hand side. Now we will solve right hand side with the same rule. Solve the bracket first. Bracket का answer है LCM आ गया 70. So answer is how to make it 70 by multiplying 10. How to make it 70 by multiplying 7. That is equal to 49. Because I have skipped some steps here, so it is the same rule, same steps as I have followed in previous question. So 2.5 plus what is the answer? 9, 7. So answer is minus 79 upon 70. Now the LCM of 5 and 70 is 70 because both are the multiple. 5 is a multiple of 70. So you can say LCM of 5 and 70 is 70. So how to make it 70 by multiplying 14? ये तो 70 है ही है. So 14 to the 28. Done. 28 plus upon 70 minus 79 upon 70. Now one is positive, one is negative. What will you do? We will subtract. Now subtract it. 79 minus 28, which is equal to 51. Yes, 51 upon 70. Which is the larger one? Negative one. So answer is minus 51 upon 70. So both are same. So you can say hence verified. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now you can solve the second part by yourself. Okay. So let's see. Fourth question is using rearrangement property, find the sum of the following. Rearrangement means, okay, as you know, 1 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus 3 plus 2. मतलब चाहे पहले जो मर्जी ऐड कर लो, आंसर तो सेम ही आता है प्लस में. चाहे बाद में पहले 3 ऐड कर लो फिर 2 ऐड कर लो. So rearrangement means here denominator is 3. If you will add this number in this first और इसको इसके साथ करें, then you will get easy to add. So this is called a rearrangement. So what will you do? You will write this here with the minus upon 3 and this number will make them together. Like fractions, they make them together. Now do it. Here it is 3 because denominator is 3. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 minus 11. So answer is 2.3 plus wala because larger one is plus. Here 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We will do subtract, which is equal to 6 minus 6 upon 7. Now here denominator is not same. Take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Make it 21 by multiplying 7. Make it 21 by multiplying 3. Here it is. It becomes this. Now what is the answer? Minus 4 upon 21. So this is the required answer. Here you will you use this property like this rearrangement property, right? So second part of this question you can do it yourself, right? So now let us discuss the next question, fifth one. Here we have to find the additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Additive inverse means इसमें क्या ऐड करें ताकि ये जीरो बन जाए, या फिर इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे कि नेगेटिव ऑफ अ नंबर, नंबर का नेगेटिव कर दो बस, यू विल गेट एडिटिव इनवर्स. सो एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ माइनस 3.7, इसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा? प्लस 3.7. इट मीन अगर मैं इसमें ये ऐड करूं तो मेरा जीरो आ जाएगा ना, समझ गए? सो एडिटिव इनवर्स मींस नेगेटिव ऑफ अ नंबर, व्हाटएवर द नंबर यू हैव गिवन जस्ट डू इट नेगेटिव. तो ये आंसर है. तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स हियर यू विल सी दैट माइनस इज इन डिनोमिनेटर, मेक द डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव by taking minus on numerator. Now your question becomes this. Now what is the additive inverse of minus 7 upon 11, which is equal to plus 7 upon 11. So this is the answer. So next question is minus 7 upon 1. What is the additive inverse of minus 7 upon 1 means nothing. So 7 upon minus 7 का additive plus 7 upon 1, that is or 7 you can say. तो 0 additive inverse of 0 is, तो 0 का तो ना कोई नेगेटिव होता ना पॉजिटिव, तो 0 का एडिटिव इनवर्स just remain as 0. And last part is minus 9 upon minus 7. What is the identity? Because both are negative, when it goes on numerator, it will become positive. So your question becomes this. So what is the identity to us of 9 upon 7? Which is minus 9 upon 7. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So let us discuss the next question, where it is your statement question, which is given. Tane bought a pen for rupees 31 by 2 rupees. Tane bought a book for rupees 72.3 rupees, and he bought an ice cream for rupees 15 by 4. So question is, how much money he spent in all? So money spent in all, total money kitni lagi? What will you do? We will all aa gaya. That means we will add all the items. So add all the things. This is first, this is second, this is third one. So add all the mixed fractions. How you will add? Just first of all we have to convert into simple fraction. 13 to the 26 plus 1, 27 upon 2. 17 into 3, 51 plus 1, 53.3. Last one is 60 plus 1, 61 upon 4. Now what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? Now I am telling the shortcut. You are doing like this now. 2, 3, 4, then it goes on 2, then it goes on 2 again. So now it goes on 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 4 into 3, 12 आ गया. Easy method बताता हूँ. Choose the largest one. Choose हो गया 4 है. 4 पे ये सारे जा रहे हैं? नहीं जा रहे. 4 का नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल उठा लो 8. 8 पे 2 जा रहा है पर 3 नहीं जा रहा. नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल क्या है? 12. 12 पे 3 भी जा रहा है, 2 भी जा रहा है. सो LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will be equal to 12. Now make it 12. इसको 12 कैसे बनाए? By multiplying 6. How to make it 12? By multiplying 4. How to make it 12? By multiplying 3. Here your question. Now you have to find the answer on it. Just multiply it. 162 upon 12. Here it is multiplied. Plus 53 into 4. You got 212. 212.12 plus 183.12. Just add 3 terms together. 4 plus 3 7. 15 2 3 4 5. So 557.12. So your answer is this, but you have to convert it to mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. So divide it. Here I am doing it. Okay. So divide 557 divided by 12. 12 4 the 48. So now 7, 12, 6 is 72. Answer is 5. So QR और DP form में लिख दो. Right? Question is 46. 5 upon 12. So this much of rupees is the total of this. Total of these rupees is 46. 5 upon 12. Okay. So your next statement sum is last one, which is 7th question. Time spent by Dia on maths. It is given 3.4 hours. English में दिया 1.2 and math work she has done 3.4 hours. So how much time spent by on Dia on study? So total time spent on study is we have to, what you will do? We will add all the things. So add all 3.4 hours plus 1 1.2 plus 2.3. So as it is fraction, we have to convert into simple fraction. Mixed fraction है ना? So it is 7.4. It is 3.2. It is 11.4. So LCM is 2 and 4 is 4. How to make it 4? By multiplying 2. It becomes 7.4 plus 6.4 plus 11.4. So what is the time? 17 plus, first of all write like this. It is 13 plus 1, 24.4 plus equal to 6. So पूरा ही आ रहा है. Answer is 6 hours. Right everyone? So here your exercise is complete. So thank you everyone.